Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Welcome to my favorite crypto at this point of time, Ethereum. And we're going to do a full update on Ethereum. We'll talk about some fundamentals. I actually wanted to showcase some fundamental developments for Ethereum. We yesterday also got some news that they deposited quite a lot of money into Morpho, which is a DeFi protocol. I don't think that matters a lot for Ethereum, but I thought it was interesting because we have actually seen a lot of strength since Saturday, so since the recovery of the crash last week Friday, we've seen a lot of strength from Morpho. So it still matters what the Ethereum Foundation does, but like I said, that's a little bit irrelevant of what the price is doing. All right, so we're going to do a full update on the price. I will start off with some fundamentals because the price, I mean, honestly, when we're talking about the last 24 hours, not much has happened, right? I mean, I can show you very quickly right here that the volume has been relatively low. The volume at this point of time is also extremely low. Usually the Asian session for Ethereum is actually pretty voluminous, right? So we actually see some volume coming in during that time. This time around, no. And I think that's a sign of the market right now. I mean, I said it in my Bitcoin video as well, but it very much seems like there's some PTSD in the markets where both, you know, where basically market participants are not really inclined to go long, but the market also doesn't look so bad, and the fundamentals around the markets also do not look so bad that you should short, right? I mean, if we take a look at equities, if you take a look at the Russell 2000, those actually have recovered fairly well. And, you know, I almost want to say that there's quite a lot of strength in that, all right? And ultimately that can transfer to crypto. At this point of time, it hasn't yet. And that's not something to be worried about. I'd say that's normal after a move that we had last week, Friday. But okay, when we're talking about Ethereum, look, it's been one of the strongest recoveries since Friday. We have already spoken about that a couple of days. Outside of that, I think fundamentally Ethereum is also still doing great. I mean, here on this chart, in the pink, you can see the stablecoin market cap. In the blue, you can see the TVL. In the purple, you can see the DEX trading volumes. First of all, you can see that the TVL has increased a lot over the course of this year, since April. So that's great. It's at the same levels as we were when it's almost at the same levels at least as the last bull market. But you can see the DEX trading volumes over the course of September, I think it was, or August, September. August, September right here, DEX trading volumes have been very high and are actually at this point of time still quite high, while the stablecoins market cap is increasing gradually but steadily and continuously. And obviously, I mean, one of the key reasons why Ethereum has done fairly well since April is the fact that if there's one protocol, if there's one network that benefits a lot from stablecoins, it's Ethereum. And that's also one of the key reasons why fundamentally I'm bullish on Ethereum. Now, when we're talking about the technicals here, like I already said when we zoomed in, and like I said on the 4-hour time frame, like, is this a bullish chart? No, but it is a stable chart, all right? And we still have imbalances left to fill right here at 3,900. We have a weak low at 3,900. We have a weak low at 3,940. We have a naked point of control at 3,820. We have a single print at 3,880. So we have quite a lot of imbalances to the downside, which we can, you know, find support at as well, but also fill, which potentially is most likely since Bitcoin is quite weak here as well. But even if we do, we're still holding the critical support level. The critical support level for Ethereum to stay in a consolidation here, I would argue, is at 3,600. So then we have support quite a margin above that, where I actually do expect some support based on the price action we've seen so far from Ethereum this week, and based on the fundamentals. So yes, I mean, short term, I think we'll push lower, but I do think we'll find support there, and I think we will remain stable here in this area between 4,300 and 3,700, which I now remember is exactly what I said yesterday. And then from there, based on both the fundamentals of Ethereum specifically, but also based on the fundamentals of how equities have been recovering and how the Russell 2000 has been moving since last week Friday, I think it's most likely afterwards we'll actually see a move into 4,500 and 4,700. Now, how long that will take, I find it hard to say, but I'll keep you updated on that. And that's what I think you need to know for now. So thank you for watching, everybody. Take care and bye.